Buying robot vacuum parts one by one can be annoying. That's why accessory kits are so popular. They are usually more convenient and often more cost-effective than buying every part separately. But then comes the next problem. Which kit should you choose? If you have searched on Amazon, you have probably noticed one thing. There are so many different kit combinations. Some kits include more filters, some include more mop pads, some include extra dust bags, some include more brushes, and some are full kits with almost everything inside. So why are these so different? Because every home uses robot vacuum accessories differently. Filters may run out faster in homes with pads or a lot of dust. Mop pads may need to be replaced more often if you mop every day, especially in kitchens or dining areas. Dust bags matter more if you use a self-emptying dock or run the robot frequently. Main brushes and side brushes may wilt faster if your home has long hair, pet hair, or rough floors. So when choosing an accessory kit, don't only ask, does this kit include everything? Ask, which parts will I replace most often? A full kit is a good choice if you want convenience and backup parts, but if you already know your cleaning habits, a more focused kit may match your home better. And first-time users may start with a balanced kit to see what runs out first. There is no single best kit for everyone. The best kit is the one that matches your home, your cleaning habits, and the parts you actually replace. So here is the question. When you buy robot vacuum accessories, do you prefer a full kit with everything or a focused kit with more of the parts you use most? At techTongBo, we make replacement parts and accessory kits for robot vacuums and vacuum cleaners. Follow us for more information on vacuum replacement parts.